We will guide you through how to make spin effect in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click on CapCut and open the project containing your video. Place the footage you want to animate onto the main timeline. Then click the video clip to display its editing controls. Open the video section from the right side panel and select Basic to access the clip's transform settings. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want the spinning motion to begin. Click the keyframe button beside the position or scale controls to create the starting keyframe. Move the playhead forward a few frames to begin the spinning movement. Then change the rotate value to 60 degrees. Check the preview carefully for any empty areas or black edges that may appear as the footage rotates. If necessary, increase the scale value further so the entire frame remains covered throughout the movement. Move the playhead ahead by another few frames and increase the rotation to 120 degrees, creating the next keyframe automatically after the adjustment. Continue moving the playhead forward and repeat the same process by setting the rotation to 180 degrees. Make sure each rotation change creates a new keyframe so CapCut can smoothly animate the movement between each position. After reaching 300 degrees, move the playhead forward again and set the final rotation value to 360 degrees to complete one full spin. Advance the playhead a few more frames after the rotation finishes, then return the scale value to 100% so the footage returns to its normal framing. Play the sequence from the beginning of the effect to check the overall speed, direction, and smoothness of the spin. Preview the effect several times to make sure the spin connects naturally with the surrounding footage and that the final framing looks correct.